in Roma, and we are in Rome. When in Rome, ladies.
So we are headed to our first stop, the Spanish Steps. I don't know if we look tired or exhausted or both, but yeah, we just got here.
We have a +1 on this trip.
Yeah, Amelia. Meet Amelia. Welcome. You're gonna be seeing this face a lot in our vlogs.
And these ones too.
And these ones too.
Photo shoot time.
Yes! These are the Spanish Steps, y'all.
We read right here, we wanted to educate ourselves, that it was built by a Spanish architect to connect the Plaza de España, which is this square that we're in right now, to the big church at the top of the hill.
Trying to find some good food. Let's see where we turn. Straight, left, right. Gnocchi!
She yells it.
Okay, we're on the hunt for food, but we're unsuccessful as of now. So that's where we're going, La Capricciosa. These prices are decent. This is their pasta, their meat, some kind of fish. We let you know what we order. Got the fettuccine alla bolognese. Steph, what did you get?
I got spaghetti, vongole.
It's margarita pizza. Mushrooms. We finished eating. I am so full.
There goes you.
It's day 1, Wednesday, the first full day, and Emma is cooking. Unseen footage, y'all. We're going to the Colosseum.
Just your face.
Good, how I like it.
I thought it was a subway, but it turns out it was a streetcar. So, there's that.
We made it. You couldn't tell, it's probably right behind me.
We got to the Colosseum and we didn't buy tickets because we're kind of dumb, but it's fine. We weren't sure if we wanted to go in or not, and then you get here and you're like, yeah, I want to go in.
8:57 in the morning, it's very
And
early.
it opens at 8:30, so you probably want to come before it opens to kind of avoid the line a little bit. Taking a tour, it's 30 euros, it's a bit more, but we skipped the line, so we have a time, 9:20. They give us a little sticker, and we just wait for our tour guide.
So we finished part 1 of our tour. What did you think of it, Amelia?
It was good. It was really hot, but it was good to know the history. We wouldn't have known otherwise if we didn't take this tour. So I think it was good that we got to learn from him.
And the crew is taking photos. Videos. Climbing up in this heat to the very top to show you guys the view. Here's the view from the top. We've got the Colosseum, Piazza. How's it taste?
So yummy. So good. I got milk chocolate with yummy soup.
And Amelia got
Lemon and basil, and then Siciliano.
and Steph got,
Lemon and strawberry.
and I got lemon and
Melon.
melon. Oh. Look how packed it gets. Oh my gosh. So many people. And there's Steph. Okay, we're gonna throw a coin, the Trevi fountain, and make a wish just like it was done in the Lizzie McGuire movie, right?
Yeah.
Okay, first pick, gotta make a wish. Okay. Ready? We did it!
Let's see if our dreams come true.
We got the food. Emma got some gnocchi.
That's right, I did.
Emilia and I got the
Burning hot.
hot salami, artichoke, olives, mushrooms, focaccia con prosciutto.
Oh, good morning. Good morning. Good.
It is 6:31 a.m.
Good golden morning. I'm kind of sick. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It's the Vatican. This wall. This is Vatican City inside this wall. Vatican City, and we're not there just yet. That's where we're heading. We're trying to go to St. Peter's Square right now, but our taxi dropped us off at the museum. So pro tip, don't do that. We got the IT taxi app. Not very good. We requested it to come at 6 a.m. It didn't come. Some guy on the street helped us call another taxi. What's the name of the app? My Taxi, right? He made us download this My Taxi app, and apparently it's way better. It looks just like Uber. Yeah. Also, Uber doesn't work here. It's illegal. So if you get caught, like, you'll get a big fine. It's like thousands of dollars. So just My Taxi it is, guys. Yeah.
Are y'all ready for this view?
Wow.
Oh, the line's not that bad, guys.
Okay, 6:30 it is.
6:30, honestly.
And guys, the line, the best part, it is, sorry, snack stuff, it is not that long.
Pro tip, it opens at 7:30, so we got there just at 7:30, not a long line. 6:30 is a really good time to come to Vatican. Yeah, and it's only €8 if you go by foot.
We're halfway. Like, now we have to go in there. We did it. We did it.
But look at this view. We are at the top. Also, these stairs are super tiny and steep.
Yeah, it's kind of scary, but it's really worth it.
But it's worth the view at the end.
Taking pictures by this fountain.
My hair's all stuck.
It's really hot. It's still really early. It's like 8:30, but it's really nice here. So we're just taking some pictures. Look at that. That's where we were. We're all the way up there before.
We're at the cafe because the girls are getting a little hungry.
Yeah, we are. And we need some coffee too.
So we got some coffees. And then we're going to the Sistine Chapel.
That'll be really fun.
But for now, we rest. Very good. If you guys know, you know about tuna toast. We got tuna and tomato. I'm so excited to try this. We went to the Vatican Museum and the Sistine Chapel. So long, such big lines, so sweaty, so hot. Now we're gonna try probably what was told as the best pizza around here in the Vatican City. It all falls out.
Can I unbox it?
Oh, bro. We got some non-cheese. We got some. This is Amelia's, I think, eggplant. We got some salamis going on. We're basically done the pizza, and it was really good. It's really worth it. We paid probably just €20, a little bit over 20.
Like 3 drinks for like Yeah,
Yeah.
3 drinks, 4-size pizza.
Like big
It's like
slices.
more.
You get like a ticket, and then you have to wait for them to call your number. And then there's a ton of pizzas. You choose from which one you like, and then they keep adding new ones as pizzas are going. So you gotta visit this place near the Vatican City. The ceilings are pretty high, so if it bounces, it's
Are you gonna get a cloth?
Well, I didn't last time. I touched
You did it?
and it bounced.
Sister.
And everyone got scared. Try to shake it.
No!
I honestly think.
One, two, no, I'm holding it. Open!
When she's so good at that now.